Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss some applications. Already we have discussed concepts and some examples also. Today we shall discuss some applications of linear equations in one variable. We begin with a simple example. Sum of two numbers is 50. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? Very simple question. Yes, sum of two numbers is 50. One of the number is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? Yes, very good answer. Very good. 20 and 30. Yes, nice. One number is 20. 20 का 10. Very good. डायरेक्ट आंसर दे दिए. ठीक है, जाने दो. अभी हम क्या करना है? Sum of two numbers is 50. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. What are numbers? How can we use the linear equations in one variable? How can we create the linear equation? Yes, direct answer बताएं. Very good. Sum of two numbers is 50. One of the number is 10 more than the other. Okay, let x be the, or let one number is x. second number क्या है? Second number is x plus 10. Yes, one number is x, one of the number is 10 more than the other. So second number क्या है? x plus 10. Given sum of numbers क्या है? 50. One number is x plus second number is x plus 10 is equal to 50. So x plus x क्या है? 2x. x plus x 2x plus 10 is equal to 50. So next क्या करना है? ट्रांसपोजिंग plus 10 to RHS. Yes, very good. 2x is equal to 50 minus 10. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? 2x is equal to 50 minus 10, 40. So dividing both sides by 2. Okay, so 2x by 2 is equal to 40 by 2. 2 get cancelled. X is equal to 40 by 2, 20. Yes sir, no? So one number is 20. Second number क्या है? Second number. First number 20. Second number x plus 10. So 20 plus 10. So answer क्या है? 30. Or understand or not? Very simple. Direct answer बताएं. But we are also using linear equation. Okay? Or understand? Yes. Next examples क्या है? देखेंगे examples. Example 5. What should be added to? What should be added to? What should be added to twice the rational number? Twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. Yes, you can take what means x. Find the value of x. What should be added? What means x? Find the value of x. Should be added to twice the rational number. Here, let x be the number, required number. Yes, required number. What means x should be added? X should be added. Added means plus. Yes or no? Given. Very simple. What means x? Find the value of x. X be the number. X should be added, means x plus twice. Added means plus, twice means 2 times of rational number minus 7 by 3 is equals to get 3 by 7. This is the linear equation in one variable. We are also creating this now. Or understand what means x. X should be means x should be added, means x plus twice means 2 times of the rational number minus 7 by 3 is equals to 3 by 7. This is the linear equation in one variable. Now you can solve this. X 2 into 7 14, yes, minus here minus 14 by 3 is equals to 3 by 7. Now transposing minus 14 by 3 to RHS is x is equals to 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Here minus, then we can shift it into right hand side, so plus x is equals to 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Now what we can do here? Yes, very good. Denominator is equal करना पड़ेगा. So x is equals to 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Here क्या है 3, here क्या है 7. So here 3 into 7 into 3, 3 into 3, 7 into 3. Here 14 into 7 into 7. Understand? Yes. X is equals to 9 by 21 plus 70 plus 28 to 98. 98 by 21. So x is equals to 98 plus 9. 98 plus 9, 107. 107 by 21. This is the answer. Are understand? Yes, very good. Next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये एग्जाम्पल 6 क्या है? वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, 7th क्लास क्वेश्चन, 7th क्लास में द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 13 सेंटीमीटर. 13 सेंटीमीटर, yes, and its width is 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter. Yes, find its length. Very easy question. Okay, find its length. How can you prove this? How can we find here? Next, here perimeter of rectangle. You know that rectangle? Yes. Rectangle का length क्या है? L. breadth क्या है? Width means breadth means B. L. Yes or no? LB. Here perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter and its width is 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter. Given breadth, width, very good, width B is equals to 2 and 3 by 4. 2 and 3 by 4 means 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. 11 by 4 centimeter. 11 by 4 centimeter. Or understand? 2 and 3 by 4. 6th class का concept है. 2 and 3 by 4 means 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4 centimeter. Width. Okay, 11 by 4 centimeter. Given length क्या है? L centimeter. Very good. Perimeter क्या दिया? Perimeter of given perimeter of rectangle is equals to formula. Very good. Sum of the sides. L plus B plus B L plus B plus B. L plus L 2L, B plus B 2B. 2 will becomes outside. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Here perimeter of rectangle कितना दे दी? 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. So 13 centimeter. There is problem. Perimeter actual formula क्या है? 2 into L plus B. How much given? 13 centimeter. ठीक है. 2 in bracket L नहीं मालूम. Yes sir no. B क्या है? 11 by 20. Sorry 11 by 4 is equal to 13 centimeter. Now multiply करो by using distributive law. 2 into L 2L. Yes 2L. 2 into L 2L. 2 into 2 in bracket 11 by 4. 2 multiply with L and 2 multiply with 11 by 4. So this is 13. Now 2 ones are 2 2s are. So here 2L plus 11 by 2 is equal to 13. Yes or no? Now here transposing plus 11 by 2 to RHS. To RHS. So 2L is equal to 13 minus 11 by 2. 13 minus 11 by 2. 2L is equal to, अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा? वेरी गुड, डिनोमिनेटर से इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. 13 into 2 by 1 into 2 minus 11 by 2. So 2L is equal to 2. 13 2s are 26. 26 minus 11, yes 15. सही है ना? 15. So 2L is equal to 15 by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. Yes. So 2L by 2 is equal to 15 by 2 by 2. So ऐसे लिखना. Okay, 15 by 2 into 2. So 2 get cancelled. So L is equal to 15 by 4 centimeter. Or understand? Yes, very good. Very easy question is there. Or understand? Yes. Once again, here the perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter. Rectangle you know, length L B B. Rectangle length क्या है? L breadth क्या है? B. Okay. breadth क्या दिया? 2 and 3 by 4. means 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4. लेंथ क्या है? L से. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल फॉर्मूला पता है ना? 2 into L plus B is equals to कितना दे दिया? 13. ओके. 2 into L plus L नहीं मालूम, B मालूम, 11 by 4. 2 into L 2L 2 into 11 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay. 13. 11 by 2. ट्रांसपोजिंग 11 by 2 RHS. So माइनस आएगा. बाद में क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिनोमिनेटर से इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. इक्वल किया 26. 13 2 जा 26. 26 minus 11 15. यस सर नो? 26 minus 11 15. सही है ना? 15 by 2. बाद में क्या करना पड़ेगा? 2 dividing both sides by 2. So answer will become 15 by 4 centimeter. Or understand? Yes. Next, one more example. Age problems. Yes, very simple example. Age problems. The present age of Sahil's mother. The present age of Sahil's mother. Sahil's mother is 3 times, yes, the present age of Sahil. The present age of Sahil. Okay. Sahil. After 5 years, after 5 years, their ages will added to their ages will added to 66 years. 66 years. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Or understand question? Very good. The present age of Sahil's mother. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will added 66 years. Added to 66 years. Find their present ages. Very simple. Now, what you have to do here? Sahil's present age. Very good. Sahil present age. क्या? X for example. Sahil's mother present age. Yes, 3x. 3 times. Yes or no? Sahil mother age. Everybody knows. For example, आपका एज 10 है, आपका मदर 3 times मीन्स 3 into 10 30 years. Yes or no? आपका एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी क्या है 14 है, ओके, अदरवाइज 15 है इन 3 times ऑफ मदर्स एज है ना, 3 times दी आपका है, सो 3 into 15 45. आपका मम्मी का एज क्या है 45. हियर साहिल प्रेजेंट एज क्या है 3x, सॉरी x. साहिल मदर प्रेजेंट एज क्या है 3x. आफ्टर 5 years, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका अभी एज क्या है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 15 बताया, 5 years के बाद कितना है 20. आपका 20 years है, मम्मी का ओके 45 plus 5 सेम ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना. आफ्टर 5 years मीन्स आफ्टर 5 years साहिल एज x plus 5. यस, साहिल मदर एज कितना, वेरी गुड 3x plus 5. According to question क्या है, according to question their ages will added 66. According to this question, after 5 years their ages will added to 66 years. So here x plus Sahil age plus after 5 years, okay, Sahil age plus Sahil mother age 3x plus 5 is equals to क्या है 66 years. Understand or not? Yes, very simple question is there. Sahil age x, Sahil mother age क्या है 3x. After 5 years Sahil age क्या है x plus 5. Sahil mother age क्या है 3x plus 5. After 5 years their ages will added means after 5 years Sahil age क्या है x plus 5, मदर एज क्या है 3x plus 5. दोनों क्या करना है ऐड करना है, कितना आएगा 66 years. वेरी गुड. नाउ x plus 3x 4x plus 5 plus 5 10 is equals to 66. yes, 4x plus 10 उधर लेके जाओ, x 4x is equals to 66 minus 10. वेरी गुड. 4x is equals to 66 minus 10. 4x is equals to, okay, 4x is equals to 66 minus 10 56. Very good. Dividing both sides by 4. ठीक है, 4x by 4 is equals to 56 by 4. 4 cancel, 4 1 जा 4 कितना 14 जा. वेरी गुड, सही है ना 4 14. सो x is equals to 14 years. सो दिस इज क्या है साहिल एज 14 years साहिल एज. नाउ साहिल मदर एज, साहिल्स मदर इज क्या है? 3x, 3x. So 14 into 3 कितना? 42 years. Are understand or not? Very good. Very simple question. Very simple question.